I booked Rapido and I went from past 3 days. On Friday, he was not using the map, Google Map, nothing location, and he was taking Udupi Garden that side. So from there, I said to Jayanagar to come. So Jayanagar third block, from there I said to stop. He was taking in a wrong route from Jayadeva Hospital to the other way. Near signal you have to take U-turn. He did not overtake there also, and he was giving a break, and he was unsafe ride I was feeling. I got down and I spoke, what is that driving? Are you looking to the map regarding that? He was responding in the manner. Then I self-defense myself, and I said that don't drive like this, it's unsecure, because I am the customer, I have to go forward with the whatever it is, because I am not unsafe to travel or transport myself. So he got down from the scooty and he was talking, how can you behave like this, how can you do that? I get out from the country, that this he was speaking, if you don't know Kannada. I just came and hold the shirt. I did not hit him or did something nonsense which hurt him, and he got up from the scooter and hit me. Then I fell down. After that, I got up and I did self-defense on me and I hit him. That's all.
Madam, what language he is speaking with you?
He was speaking in Butler English, not Kannada words also. If he used to speak in Kannada, I used to respond in Kannada.
You know Kannada, madam?
I can talk.
You can understand.
Yeah.
What he is saying?
Ma'am, the driver is saying that you hit him with the lunchbox first. And
No,
that is
no.
why he retaliated.
Not
How do you
lunchbox.
respond to this?
Lunchbox I did not hit because I was standing there, laborers was working there. He was, after getting from the scooty, he, with his leg, he was, he was doing his leg. So they said, don't do that, she'll be getting hurt. But still he was talking in a rude manner, seeing unwantedly here and there. So I felt unsecured the ride, whatever. I called to customer care and talked Navya. How can he behave like this? She apologized and said sorry. Next time it won't repeat. I want to give a complaint. Then what FIR they said me to give, because the Facebook the video has been viral regarding that. He came to store and fighted there. So I came to station and given a complaint.
Ma'am, initially you did not give a police complaint, but now you have come back to give a police complaint after 3 days. Why?
Barte.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ.
Ma'am, initially you did not give a police complaint, but now you have come back after 3 days to give a complaint.
Not 3 days back. On Friday the incident has happened. On Saturday I came and given the complaint. That's all.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ
Okay.
ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ?
Over. Please, I don't want to talk more.